We have a really special Roadrunner for us today. It's a 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner, 39,000 actual miles. This car is a sweetheart. All number matching, all rust-free, original metal, claimed to be original paint. I can't tell for certain. Maybe it's been spotted in a few places, but I will tell you for certain it is a sweetheart, low mile, like virgin car, unmolested car. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 collector cars all for sale. And that's where you'll find a price tag on each one of them, including this one. And they'll each have a monthly finance payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, the hood is pristine. And, it has the raised hood with the turn signals at the back that do work. We had to clean one of the sockets, and that was it. All this is clean and straight all the way down to the bottoms. There's no rust down here at all. Even under the rockers, all nice and smooth. All nice, clean, square, all real nice. There's a little drip at the corner. Shuts real nice. The roof is straight. Sail panels, all this clean, straight. No rust, no bubbles. All nice, clean, straight, virgin, rust-free, original metal. All this real nice. There's a little tab under here. That's original. All around here. Got the factory spot welds. I like the little scoop on each side. Shuts like a new car. The rockers are clean. All super, super nice, clean metal. It's original color, lemon twist yellow. No vinyl top, no stripes. It's kind of a sleeper car. Well, bright yellow is not a sleeper, but doesn't have the hood stripe or the side stripes. It has the poverty wheels. Probably have been repainted because they're in mint shape. With the poverty hubcaps, reproduction Goodyear Polyglass tires. I mean, they look real fresh. The white letters look really bright white. There are some stone chips on the front. The grille has that argent silver. That's in excellent shape. Original bumpers are in good shape. Original wheels. Windshield has some chips and some mild wiper mark. Door jambs are original paint for certain. The latches are original. The weather strips are original. The other door has the sticker with the VIN number on it. Those are always gone. This still has the original sticker. The back window is about the nicest I've seen, and it is original. It has the Penn-Star logo. That's crystal clear. The moldings are in excellent shape. Back bumper showing some wear, not beat up, but it's just showing age. Here's a sticker for us, a stripe. All that's looking really good. So, excellent, excellent body. Claimed to be original paint. I think it's probably had to have some paint work along the way. The mirror's in excellent shape. Door handles are real shiny. Let's open it up, check out the inside. I'm going to show you a real nice original trunk compartment. So this here is the original paint, original sticker. F70, that would be the tire size, so the assembly line workers would know. And original paint, I'm looking at all the runs. Yeah, Mopar didn't have the best quality control with their body and paint. Jam is clean, original weather strip. Now inside here, it's probably a new mat, but look how clean that metal is. All the pans in Mopars rust out, and this is nice, clean, original metal. The wires are still run the way they're supposed to. Reproduction, Goodyear tire, matching tire for a spare. The jack assembly is all there. Now we did replace the carburetor. Here's the original one right there. Now subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when we post the new videos. Also visit our website. You'll really be impressed with what you find there. So I said the jambs are original and in really nice shape. So are the weather strips. The tops of the doors, the black paint is still nice and shiny. The door panel and armrest, that's pristine. That's in really nice shape. Definitely an unabused interior. This is original stuff, folks, and it is mint. Right now, 39,219 miles. Look at how the chrome is shiny. The switches and knobs, all this is excellent. It's a radio delete car. This is a stripped down model. All the rubber pads, excellent. Glove box is mint. The light works. The original OK stamp. Dash pad, the kick panels. How nice the carpet fits. It's not even wrinkled. Original seat still feels real good. It's in excellent shape. There's one seam right here that's come apart. Considering this is the original interior, I would leave that alone. Headrests look real good. Back seat looks like no one's ever sat in it. The side panels the same way. They don't look used. We got all the seat belts in really nice shape. The rear shelf is real nice. Now the headliner fits tight as a drum. They're always wrinkled on those sail panels. This is tight fitting headliner. Dome light works. You got the shoulder belts, the visors, the mirror, all in excellent shape. Now check this out. The steering wheel's not worn at all. Meep, meep. So a really, really clean ashtray. Looks like new. Really clean interior. Excellent, excellent interior. It's as old as I am. I'm born in 1970. And I wish I was that clean. So this is the VIN number match original motor. Casting codes, casting dates, they're all correct. This is original. Someone has carefully gone in and touched it up a little bit, freshened up the air cleaner. The paint was flaking off, so it's been touched up carefully. Has the right coil, reproduction plug wires dated for this car, reproduction hoses and clamps, the right alternator. Still has markings on the valve covers on both of them. Look at the firewall. All that's clean, original. The washer squirter hose still in the straps. Here's the bottle. Here's the horn. Looks like original Mopar radiator, the right shroud, the hose, clamps. The VIN number should be back here. It matches the car. Yep, here it is. Battery secured. Original fender tag is right there. FY1 is the color, upper and lower, no vinyl top. Does have power steering. Not many options, but does have power steering. So just a really nice, clean, look at that wiper motor. It looks like new. The wiring is excellent. So Michael's going to take you out for a drive, see how it does. See you in a minute.
Alright everybody, beautiful day here. Time to go for a cruise. We got a Survivor car here. This thing is sweet. Looks good and feels good. I did have a chance to loop it around the block already. Runs great. Mostly original. Interior, some of the paint is original. Under the hood, numbers matching 383. It's the correct and original motor, 727 torque flight automatic transmission. It runs nice, it drives nice. It's very original feeling. The the brake pedal is a little high. It does work very well. Power steering. Very easy right there. Turn signal cancels. Horn works. Classic. Radio delete car, so you can see. All the gauges appear to be working. Showing a little charge on the alternator. Really good oil pressure. Temperature's holding at 180. Fuel gauge works, and then the odometer. Really nice bench seat here. Snuggle up on your sweetheart. It's definitely how I would use it. Said to be 39,000 original miles. Such a cool experience and opportunity just to even to get to drive original cars like this. I mean, I wasn't born when this car came out, so this is as close to experience as I can get to, you know, rolling off the showroom lot there. And it's really fun. Drives great. We just went down like the bumpiest road in all of Illinois, and it handles the bumps with ease. Not a rattle box at all. Cars, everything's nice and tight in here. Awesome. Yeah, this one could definitely be driven. You don't just need to trailer around. I know it's an investment grade car, you know, being so original. Hey, take it out, drive it. There's nothing stopping you from enjoying this one. Very dialed in. Our shop went ahead and went through the entire car top to bottom. We did tally up about a $1,900 bill on it. Big ticket item there was the brand new carburetor that we put on it. I was just a little hesitant, so we had to go ahead and replace that. We also went ahead and we dropped the fuel tank on it and went ahead and repaired the float so the gas gauge is working. That's just a really great car. Always a fan of the turn signal indicators right there on the hood. Super cool. Of course, standout, high impact color. It's just great. This car makes me really happy. Absolutely. So much fun to drive. Let's see what she's got. Yeah, she's torquey. She's happy too. Very consistent, very smooth. Clear across the RPMs right there. Just eased into it very nicely. And yeah, that was very nice. I really enjoyed the whole thing, and I think somebody's really going to enjoy this as their new car. Check out all the details at volocars.com.
So the underneath is really impressive. Sometimes you get a low mile original car and it's crusty and dusty and cobwebbed underneath. It looks like a restoration under there. The floors, the frame rails are pristine, original metal, not been cut up, not been patched. It still has the yellow overspray that floated underneath there when they were spraying the body at the factory. It does have its original undercoat, just in the proper locations, like behind the tires and that. So the metal, outstanding. Now you look at all the components, the steering, the suspension, clean. There's not even pitting. I think someone went with some spray cans and dusted a little paint here and there very neatly. But boy, the front end suspension in that just looks like out of the box. Same thing, the rear, the shackles and the mounts for the springs, all of the nuts and bolts looks brand new. The exhaust is a reproduction exhaust. It has the correct Mopar mufflers with the Penn-Star marking, the right tips coming out the back. Fuel tank looks really fresh. We did replace the float for the sending unit. The back of the brake drums, clean as can be. E-brakes hooked up, the lines, the hoses, they look real clean. We did cut the rear drums, so they're working real good. Excuse me, my nerves acting up in my face. Under the motor is nice and clean. There's orange paint, and then the bottom of the pan is almost dry. That's the way the factory did it in some cases. The 727 torque flight is VIN number matched to this car. Original 8 3/4 rear end in the back. Someone did dust a little black paint on it, but there's original paint markings from the assembly line. They made sure they kind of went around those to preserve them. So this is a very, very well cared for, unabused car. I was told it was a one owner till 2017. He passed away in 2013, and I think the family hung on to it for another few years. We have the original build sheet. We have the original glove box pouch with the owner's manual, and I think some other pamphlets. There's going to be pictures of all of that on our website. You can go to the website to talk to our salesman. They'll help answer whatever questions you have, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.